Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Algebra with Mr. Chavez. So, for today's lesson, what we're going to learn is how to get from point slope form to slope intercept form. So, let's go ahead and get started. Write the slope intercept form for the equation of a line that passes through point -6, 4 and has a slope of 1/3. So, first thing that comes to mind is slope intercept form. If you remember correctly, slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Next thing, what's the information it gives us? So it says a line that passes through point -6, 4 and a slope of 1/3. So it gives me a point, -6, 4, and it's my point. It also gives me the slope, which is 1/3. Next thing, if it gives me a point and a slope, the formula I'm going to use is point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m x minus x. Now what I'm going to do with this is substitute the information they give us into the formula. So I know -6 is going to be x1, 4 is going to be y1, and 1/3 is going to be my m. So we have y minus 4 equals 1/3 parentheses x minus parentheses -6 for my x1. Now let's go ahead and remember from before the three questions. Can I simplify the left or right side? Are my variables together? And how can I get the variable by itself? So I'm going to draw my lines and answer the first question. Can I simplify the left or right side? So let me start with my left side. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of my inside parentheses. So I know y minus 4. Now I'm going to try to get rid of my outside parentheses. So in this case, we have a 1 outside, and it's a positive. So all we're going to do is distribute the coefficient +1 to my binomial. So +1 times y gives you y. +1 times -4 gives you -4. Now let's go to our right side. So same as this one, I want to get rid of my inside parentheses. So outside stays the same. Minus the negative turns into a +6. Right? Now what I want to do is get rid of the outside parentheses. So I'm going to distribute my coefficient to my binomial. So it'll be 1/3 times x gives you 1/3 x. 1/3 times +6 gives you +2. And we have our equal sign. So we answer the first question. Question number 2, are all my like variables together? Yes. And question number 3 is, how do I get the variable by itself? So in this case, we have two variables. We need to figure out which one do we want by itself. So let's go back to the question. Slope-intercept form. So in slope-intercept form, the y is isolated. So we have to get that one by itself. So we have y minus 4. To get y by itself, we have to do the inverse. So -4, the inverse operation will be +4. If I add 4 to my left side, I have to add 4 to my right side. So let's go ahead and get started. -4 plus 4 gives you 0 pair. Drop my y equals. I didn't do nothing to the 1/3 x, so all I'm going to do is drop it. Finally, we have +2 plus 4 gives you +6. And this will be my final answer because it is in slope-intercept form. If you have any questions, please let us know.